If we start believing humanity as a religion on this earth will become heaven. There is no doubt. Namaskar, Sasikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly forecast from 4th of March to 14th of March 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 8th March to 14th March 2021. You need to be careful while signing any document. This whole week brings a lot of confusion for you. You are not in a comfort zone. You may earn good money, you may save good money, but your mind is not stable. You're feeling very low energy and very disturbed because Mars Rahu conjunction is in second house. You need to be careful while talking with others. You need to be careful while using words. Think one before use any word in front of anyone. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem with your family members, with your business associates. Because this whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, will be a struggling days for you when you are not feeling comfortable. You may try to start something new, but this is not very productive time. Don't start anything new. Don't invest your money anywhere, Aries, and try to do your best in the terms of relationship. Give some respect to your spouse, give some respect to your elders at your home, otherwise you will be a part of any problem. This whole week brings a lot of good deeds for you, there is no doubt, but after Wednesday, so Monday and Tuesday is bit struggling days for you, and Wednesday and Thursday will be a better days for you. If you want to start something new, you may start, but don't invest too much money. Don't show your trust on strangers. This whole week brings a lot of up and down. Your mental thoughts is not stable. You're feeling very negative. You're feeling very upset and disturbed because Mars Rahu is in conjunction. Venus is combust. Your seventh lord and your second lord, Venus is combust. Only Jupiter and Saturn is saving grace in your 10th house. You will get some good benefits from your workplace. If you are unemployed, you may get job because Saturn is in own sign in 10th house in Karmasthan, and your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Wednesday, Thursday will be a better days for you in the terms of your you will get appreciation, you will get some additional earning, you will get some commission or brokerage if you are in job. If you are in businessman, you may get some order from foreign land. This whole week, especially Wednesday and Thursday, will be a game changer days for you. Friday and Saturday, you again part of any problem, litigation, or you may be a part of any type of misunderstanding with your business associate as well as your life partner. You need to be careful. I'm telling you again and again, Aries, this whole week is not very promising for you. Don't try to invest a big amount anywhere. Don't show your trust on stranger. Just performing your best. Just try to perform your best. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem, any litigation, or any type of hurdles you will see in this week. Must chant this mantra, Om Sita Ram Shah Hanumataye Namah, every time. Every time you can chant this mantra 108 time minimum, 121 time or 151 time. Every day if you chant this mantra, you will feel positive energy. And don't start anything new. Keep your plan in your mind. When right time will come, then you will start. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants from 8th March to 14th March 2021. You will enjoy a lot of comforts and benefit at your workplace. After great stress, after great hurdles, you will get success. You will feel some negative energy because Mars Rahu conjunction is in your first house and you are trying to performing your best. At the end, you will get very good results. Your seniors will demand some extra efforts from your side. Due to lot of work pressure on Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling uncomfort, but at the end you will blessed with a success. Taurus, Jupiter Saturn is in your Navam Bhav. Your ascendant lord is in combust position. So this whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, after great stress, after great struggle at your workplace, you will blessed with a success because your Bhagya Lord transit in your Bhagya house, 9th house, it will protect you. Saturn is a biggest protected planet in this week. Jupiter and Saturn will give you a lot of peace of mind, success, and good fortune is in your favor. If you plan something new, then you have to wait. This whole week is not very productive to start anything new. Jupiter Saturn transit in your 9th house will blessed with a lot of good fortune, but you have to wait to invest any big amount anywhere. Don't show your trust on stranger. Don't try to perform beyond your limitation. Make your boundaries, make your limitation, then perform everything according to your planning. Monday and Tuesday, after great stress, great tension at your workplace, you will achieve lot of goals. There is no doubt. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will blessed with a lot of promotion. You will blessed with a salary rise. There is no doubt. If you are willing to any type of foreign activity or waiting for any foreign visa, work-related visa or residential visa or PR, you may blessed with the success. Wednesday and Thursday, you will blessed with the unexpected gains. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn name, fame, prosperity. Your health will fine. You will enjoy very good mental peace. But result is not as per your expectation because you need to perform your best. Your ascendant Lord is in combust position. But you will get a lot of business opportunities. If you are a businessman, you will blessed with a lot of business opportunity, and you will get very good profit from foreign land. Some foreign deals will make you happy. You may sign some new documents in foreign land, or you may be a part of any type of foreign activity which will make you happy, and you will blessed with a big amount of money. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. Friday and Saturday, you will spend some quality time with your family and friends, and you will enjoy all around success. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. After great hard work, after great struggle, you will get blessed with a success. Taurus, due to the Mars Rahu is in your first house, you're feeling very upset and disturbed. Because this Angarak Yoga is in your first house is not very promising. But overall, you will get blessed after great struggle, after great mental stress. You will blessed with the achievements, you will blessed with the success. Money matters will be far better in this week, especially Wednesday, especially Friday will be a biggest days. If you're waiting for any foreign transaction, that will make you happy. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants from 8th March to 14th March. You need to be careful while talking with your elders. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse or your loved one. This whole week create a lot of confusion, lot of instability. You are not feeling comfortable, you are not feeling happy. But by the grace of God, some new opportunities will knock you. And if you are trying to do your best, you will definitely get some small success. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Your health is not very comfortable. You're feeling very low and very down. Stomach related trouble will irritate you. Backbone related trouble will irritate you. Nervous system related trouble will irritate you, especially Monday and Tuesday. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very low energy. And if you are unemployed, you are trying to finding a job, but you are failed to find a good job as per your expectations. So if you are already in job, don't try to switch off your job because you are blessed man. If you are working right now, if you have good source of earning, it means your planets are good. It means you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart. Otherwise, this whole week create a lot of up and down, lot of instability, lot of hurdles. But after great success, Wednesday and Thursday, you may get job. You may blessed with a lot of success at workplace. Some unexpected money will make you happy, Gemini. But you need to perform your best. Give some respect to your elders at your home. You try to give some respect to your spouse and elder at your home. It will be a biggest game changer for you. Must read this mantra, Om Gan Ganapataya Namah, Om Gan Ganapataya Namah, Om Gan Ganapataya Namah. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. Otherwise, you will feel very negative and very down. Friday and Saturday, you need to be careful while signing any documents. Don't be a part of any argument. Don't be a part of any litigation. Try to pay your bill and taxes on time. Gemini, this whole week brings a lot of up and down. You are not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling relaxed. The more you chant this mantra, Om Gan Ganapataya Namah, the more you feel positive energy. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem, litigation, any hurdles are there, and you are not feeling comfortable. The way you are expected from yourself, you are failed to get success. Perform your best. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.